So now let us solve very important problem from pair of straight line chapter. So it carries 7 marks in the examination and also very important problem. So that means first let me read the question. Find the angle between the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 and the line 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So that means the angle between the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve and the line. So that means, so we need to find out the angle between the pair of lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve and the line we need to find out. So what sort of procedure, what sort of strategy is to be applied in order to find out the angle, required angle? First we shall make a plan. So what is the plan means? In this one, first step 1, first write down curve equation. So like this, x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y into 1 write down, it doesn't make any difference, minus 5 into 1 square equals to 0 write down. This is the first step we need to write it. So step 2, now given equation of the line write down, this one, this line equation, that is 3x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. Take 1 that side. So we get 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. So divide by, this is multiply with minus sign, we get y minus 3x equals to 1. Say this is equation 2. For example, say this equation 1. Now already if you observe, first term, second term, third term are homogeneous itself only. So how shall we verify that the given one is actually homogeneous? Degree is 2, here 1 plus 1, degree is 2, degree is 2. So this part is homogeneous. Now these two parts are to be homogenized. So this can be homogenized with the help of this 1. What is the value of 1 here? Y minus 3x. So instead of 1, replace y minus 3x, here y minus 3x. If you simplify it, so you get, so with the help of, that means step 3, with the help of 2, equation 1 should be homogenized. So when you homogenize the equation 1 with the help of equation 2, you get in step 4 in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, which represents a pair of straight lines passes through the origin. Am I correct now? So as we know the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, easily we can find out the angle between the pair of lines. So that is the step 5. In step 5, we need to recall the principle cos theta, that is mod of a plus b upon root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square. With the help of this formula, the required angle can be evaluated. So now let us solve this problem. So solution, equation of the curve. Equation of the curve is x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. So, equation 1 this is. Equation of the line. Equation of the line is 3x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So, this can be written like this. 3x minus y equals to minus 1. Multiply minus 1 on both sides, we get like this. Y minus 3x equals to 1, say equation 2. With the help of the equation 2, the equation of the curve we have to make homogenize. So, that means with the help of equation 2, the equation 1 can be homogenized in the following way. So, that means with the help of equation 2, the equation 1, that means curve, can be homogenized as follows. So, that means we need to write equation 1 in the following way. So, already first 3 terms are homogenized, second term and next, that means 2x plus 2y and constant term has to be homogenized. So, that means this can be written like this: x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y multiplied by 1. Can we write it? Minus 5 into 1 square equals to 0. It does not make any difference. Now, 1 is replaced by y minus 3x. Here also 1 is replaced by y minus 3x. So, now we can write x square plus 2xy plus y square, 2x plus 2y, 1 is nothing but this y minus 3x minus 5 into y minus 3x whole square is equal to 0. First, it is to be simplified. So, let us simplify it. Let us simplify it. X square plus 2xy plus y square. See, 2x into y, 2xy. Now, 2x into minus 3x, minus 6x square, 2y into y plus 2y square, 2y into minus 3x, minus 6xy, minus 5 times here y minus 3x whole square, y square minus 6xy plus here b square value, that is 9x square equals to 0. Now, we can write x square minus 6x square minus 5x square, 2xy, 2xy, 4xy and minus 6xy is there, minus 2xy, and next 2y square and plus y square, that is 3y square. Okay. Now, minus 5y square, minus into minus plus 30xy minus 5 into plus 9x minus 45x square equals to 0. You can check the simplification also. Minus 45x square plus 5, that is minus 50x square. Now 30xy and minus 2xy, that is plus 28xy. This is minus 2y square is equal to 0. If you simplify these two, divide both sides by minus 2. So if you divide by minus 2 on both sides, you get 25x square minus 14xy minus y square is equal to 0. How does it appear? So this is okay. How does it appear? It appears to be in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So that means it is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. It represents a pair of lines passing through the origin itself only. So it represents a pair of lines passing through origin. So now we need to find out the angle between the pair of lines. So that means here A for 25, 2h for minus 14, whereas B for 1, h equals to minus 7. Am I correct? Let theta be the angle between 25 minus x square minus 14xy plus y square is equal to 0. So now let us recall cos theta principle. Cos theta is equal to mod of a plus b by root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So let us substitute this. A means 25, b means 1, mod of 26 upon root over a minus b, 25 minus 1 whole square plus 4 into h square, that is minus 7 square. So equal to 26, this is 24 square plus 4 into 49 root. So that is 26 divided by root over, what is 24 square? 576 plus 49 into 4. So 36, 4 4 just 16, 196. Again multiplied by, sorry, that is 49 into 4, 196 only. So 196 plus 576 to 772, that is 26 by root of 772. This is cos theta. Now we need to find out actually here this 772 is 772 divided by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 37, 4 9 ja 36, 12, 4 3 ja 12, that means 193. So this we can write 26 root of 4 into 193. Correct? So this equals to 26 by 2 root of 193. 2 1 ja, 2 13 ja. 13 by root of 193. So this is the value of cos theta. Now we need to find out theta value. As we know the cos theta, theta is equal to cos inverse 13 by root 193. So this is the required value. Now this is the angle between the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of this curve and the line 3x minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0.